Hello YouTube, Marshall Curtis here. I'm standing by our laundry machines and my 3-story condo building. And right there you see 23 smart meters that were put in fairly recently. And now I'm going to find out just how much anybody who stands here attending to his laundry gets nuked. I have here this device, the HF35C high frequency analyzer, this same one that Dr. Laura Presley used in her YouTube videos. And when I stand right here, okay, this is power on the 2000 range microwatts per square meter, and right now it's on the RMS signal mode. And in other words, I think that's what measures how much output it puts out on a sustained basis. And as you can see, kind of jumps around a bit, but it's below 100 for most of the time. And now I'm going to put it on peak. These are the spikes. One, when you see the one on the left, that means it's over 2000 microwatts per square meter. And according to Dr. Laura Presley, 1500 microwatts per square meter sustained risk, runs the risk of cancer. So why am I standing here getting nuked? To demonstrate to you, let me put you down for a minute here. This, a 3-foot by 6-foot Faraday shield. Both sides of the cardboard have aluminum foil put on them, with the shiny side facing toward the smart meters on both sides. I'm going to stand here again by the laundry machines, and now with it on peak range, I'm less than 6 feet tall, so and now putting it on the RMS sustained exposure or sustained output range. Okay. Again on the RMS. And peak, and all the times I had it at the 2000 microwatts per square meter range. Now I have my smartphone on airplane mode so that this thing will not be detecting my smartphone. Okay, again on the peak range, and on the RMS, and you judge for yourself whether exposure to 23 smart meters within about that far away from them during the 5 minutes or so it takes for you to attend to laundry is an unacceptable risk amount. Okay, thank you for watching.